Yo, day 6 in Tenerife. Today is my last day. I'll be leaving this evening in a couple of hours, but I might be going to Monkey Park later on in the day before we leave to the airport. So yeah, I'll get some footage of the monkeys. It's a free open world for the monkeys, so they get to go on top of you, you can feed them and so on. So hopefully I get there as my last experience in Tenerife before I come back, which I probably will because I freaking love this place.
Yeah, they can't hold us back, we on another level. Yeah, it's that new age.
So to recap, I went jet skiing for 2 hours, safari, I didn't see any fish, but I had a lot of fun. Unfortunately, I didn't get the second angle for the GoPro, so it was kind of shitty to film it. Second day, Monday, we went to the mountains. We went to see the north of Tenerife, which is pretty awesome. On Wednesday, we went scuba diving for the first time in my life, so that's a bucket list check.
It's something special. Yeah, we gon' change the game, we gon' live forever. Yeah, it's that new age, it's that new age. This is the new age. Now they wanna play cause they're tryna get paid, but they can't cause they're too late. We got stacks already making it rain. They can't afford us now. Jump on a jet switching borders now. Wrote me off when I was 17, fast forward.
Like I said, we're gonna make it, and we made it to the monkey park. So I just got the ticket and some food for the monkeys. Just given a map. No way. So that monkey over there just grabbed my camera and tried to let go. He's so strong.
No, this one.
This one's looks nimble. It looks nimble. Look how long his arms are. He can get up to here like.
My employees now. Welcome to the fucking future. This that life that I'm getting used to. I do whatever I choose to. Fake friends I will never lose to. I am bound to a briefcase. I'm on the run, that's a speed chase. New living, it's that new phase. Already begun, it's that new age. Yeah, they can't hold us back, we on another level. Yeah, it's that new age.
We just got to the airport right now. The monkey park wasn't as good as I expected because basically most of the interesting animals that were sleeping, such as monkeys. But yeah, I got to see some other animals, which was pretty good. But anyways, this is the last day and it was pretty good. Got a bit of tan, swam a lot, seen animals, and had an awesome day. So many freaking new memories, so many new experiences, and so on.